If you want to permanently delete photos and videos in Microsoft OneDrive, this video will walk you through the whole process step by step. I'll show you how to remove files from your OneDrive account, where they go after you delete them, and how to make sure they are permanently erased instead of just sitting in the recycle bin. This is useful if you want to free up storage, clean up old files, or make sure certain photos and videos are gone for good. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can go to onedrive.live.com and wait for the page to load. Once it opens, sign in with the Microsoft account that contains the photos or videos you want to delete. After you're logged in, you'll land on your OneDrive home area where all of your files are stored. From here, you can browse through your folders or go straight to My Files, depending on where your media is saved. Now look for the photos or videos you want to remove. You can open the folder that contains them, or use the file list if you already know where they are. When you find the items, click to select one file, or hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac if you want to select multiple photos and videos at the same time. This is a great way to save time if you need to delete a batch of files instead of removing them one by one. Once your files are selected, click the Delete option. In OneDrive, deleting a file does not immediately erase it forever. Instead, it sends the file to the OneDrive recycle bin. That means the files are still recoverable for a short period of time, which is helpful if you deleted something by mistake. But if your goal is permanent deletion, you still need to complete the next steps. To permanently delete the files, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Recycle Bin. This is where all the deleted files are stored temporarily. When the recycle bin opens, you should see the photos and videos you just deleted. Select those files again, or if you want to clear everything, you can choose the option to empty the recycle bin. If you only want specific items gone forever, make sure to select just those files before continuing. After that, click Delete permanently. In some accounts or interfaces, you may see an option that says Empty Recycle Bin instead. Either way, the purpose is the same. You are telling OneDrive to remove the files from temporary storage and erase them completely. A confirmation message may appear, so take a moment to review it carefully. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, OneDrive will permanently remove the selected photos and videos. At that point, they will no longer be available in your files or in the recycle bin. This is the final step, so make sure you really want them deleted before you confirm. If you're deleting personal media, old backups, or duplicate footage, this is the safest way to clean up your cloud storage and make sure the space is actually reclaimed. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete photos and videos from Microsoft OneDrive and how to permanently remove them from the recycle bin so they're gone for good. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.